Samsung. What comes in your mind after hearing this word? The colorful display or the powerful battery? More than that, Samsung has improved a lot in the past year with new features, new specifications, and now we are going to see the king of Android, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So without any delay, let's start the video. Hey guys, this is Munir and you are watching Tecky for you. Today we are going to discuss about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Yes, the premium look, the premium finish, the Ultra phone, Samsung Galaxy S21. The stylish look, the color, and the Samsung called it as Phantom Black. I really enjoyed watching this phone. So the weight of this phone is 227 gram. It comes with stereo speakers without 3.5mm jack and without charger. Yes, there is no 3.5mm jack and no charger. Same they have made like iPhone. So another thing is video. Yes, you can record dual videos, selfie as well as the back camera, primary camera's video. This premium flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S21, they have given 6.8 inches with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. So if your phone fell down, this will protect your phone. So 6.8 inches with dynamic AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection is there. Previously we had some minor issues in Exynos previous processor, and Samsung has said that everything has been resolved in current Exynos 2100 processor. And the interesting thing is this phone comes with 5000 mAh massive battery. Yes, 5000 mAh. So we can think 120 Hz refresh rate is there, so 5000 mAh battery is not at all a big deal. No, not like that. See, if you are watching a movie or playing games, so the phone automatically goes to 120 Hz refresh rate. But if you are using some notes or WhatsApp or like that small things, so the automatically phone comes down to 10 Hz refresh rate. So this is really battery saving mode which Samsung has introduced in this premium flagship Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This phone has a Wi-Fi 6E feature, which is Wi-Fi next generation feature. So if you connect to a Wi-Fi router, you will get a better speed than other phones. The other feature in this phone is 5G. Yes, 5G available and dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and it has a display of HDR10 plus with 1500 nits. So there is two variants, 256GB, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage and 16GB RAM. Wow, 512GB storage. Oh my god, you can carry on mobile like a computer. So the last but not the least, camera. The selfie camera is 40 megapixel. You all know that Samsung's camera is absolutely amazing. This time they have given 40 megapixel camera with 2.2 aperture. Really, it will be amazing 4K videos at selfie, 40 megapixel at 60 or 30 frames per second. This phone comes with Android 11 OS and with water resistant. Yes, water and dust resistance is there. So if your phone fell down in water for 30 minutes in 1.5 meter, your phone will get protected. There is a new feature, director's view in this phone, so you can take wide, ultra wide or telephoto. The two dual telephoto lens will zoom your video, and one is for 3x zoom and another is for 10x zoom, and also space zoom is available, that is 100x. You can zoom up to 100x the long distance photo image and you can zoom at the moon and the space, things like that. You can zoom in 100x. That is the special thing in this phone, which is director's sweep and 100x space zoom. The main highlight of this phone is camera. 108 megapixel camera, which is wide. 12 megapixel camera is for ultra wide. 10 megapixel camera is for telephoto, and finally another 10 megapixel for another telephoto. So the both telephoto camera will work as a zoom options. So if you want to record a video up to 8K, you can record in this 108 megapixel Samsung Galaxy S21. If you are having a vlogger channel in YouTube, you can select vlogger mode and you can show front and back camera. You can use front and back camera at the same time. You can show the video content as well as your face at the top corner of the video. S Pen feature is also supports in this phone, but they are not provided in the box. S Pen is not available, but we need to buy extra. We need to buy separately S Pen to connect with this phone. This phone comes with two variants, Phantom Black and Phantom Silver, and 128GB storage, 12GB RAM, 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. So this phone's price starts from 1,05,999. So if you want to buy this phone, just click down the link in the description, which I have given in the description below. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for uploading late. I have searching a superb phone, so I got it. Really amazing phone, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this is the first video in 2021 and first video in my channel of flagship phone. So don't forget to subscribe. Hereafter I will continue to upload my videos, your favorite mobile videos. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. You know our channel name, Tecky for you. So bye bye, take care and be safe.